Welcome back. To truly understand how computers handle time, you must know the concept of epoch time, often called Unix time or POSIX time. This system allows computers to compare and store timestamps as simple, universally comparable numbers. 1. What is the epoch? The epoch is a fixed point in time, January 1st, 1970, at midnight Coordinated Universal Time. The epoch timestamp is simply the total number of seconds that have passed since that exact moment. Computers prefer this because a single integer or floating point number is easy to store, transfer, and sort globally, without dealing with time zones or daylight-saving rules. 2. Getting the epoch timestamp with .timestamp parenthesis. Any date-time object has a useful method called .timestamp parenthesis. When you call this method, it returns the time in seconds since the epoch as a floating point number. This is what you would use to convert a human-readable time into the machine's numerical time format for storage in databases or system logs. 3. Reversing the conversion with .from timestamp parenthesis. The datetime.datetime class also provides a class method called .from timestamp parenthesis. You pass it an epoch value, a float or an integer representing seconds, and it returns a full date-time object. This is how you convert machine time back into a format people can read. The ability to switch seamlessly between these two representations is fundamental to working with time. To summarize, epoch time is the numerical backbone of timekeeping. Our next lecture 25.03, Finding the Current Date and Time. See you there.